Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So today we're back at Operation Roaring Bears. If you want to know more about this event, go ahead and check out the earlier parts or episodes for this series here. You can find them on my channel or in the description down below. So let's just get into it. Me and Simon are out on a patrol Sunday morning, the last day of the event, to check if everything's okay at the outposts.
Christian til BSO, skift. Vi er ved forpost 2. Der er ikke noget at se. Vi går videre mod forpost 1, skift.
So no activity at the first outpost, so now we're moving for the second one. So while we are moving for the second outpost, we are just walking there, chit-chatting a bit, and then we stumble upon a group of Russian soldiers awaiting outside our assembly area to attack us.
Christian, her har vi stødt ind i en gruppe af russere, som der sidder 20 meter fra os og afvender ude foran vores BSO ved forpost 2 skift. Jeg er ikke enig om, det er en masse folk, der sidder der. Kom her, Simon. Lige stille.
We evaluate and see that there's probably too many Russian soldiers for us to combat all of them, so we decide to move around, shoot 2 or 3 guys in the back and move back to our assembly area to hook up with the rest of our teammates. Throughout the whole event, I had some trouble with my optic fogging up, and that was because of the low temperatures. Effective enough strategy, both of us got 1 guy each, but they're probably just getting medic back up, so now we need to move back to the assembly area.
Sidder han dernede? Dæk! Kom så! Dæk! Harbo, det er Christian her. Vi har nedkæmpet 2 russere ude foran forpost 1 skift. Klarer du den?
I had no idea if we were being followed, so therefore I wanted us to get back to the assembly area as fast as possible.
Jeg kan godt se det. Harbo, vi kommer fra nord af mod BSO skift. NATO!
Almost as soon as we returned to the assembly area, we got attacked by the Russians. Simon just needed to prep up some of his gear before we could head on into the attack.
Er du med? Ja, vi kommer! Hvor langt nede befinder de sig? Hvor langt nede? Modtaget! Det er modtaget. Og kom med herop til.
We need to get the wounded into safety so we can medic them back up again, so therefore I decide to go for them now.
Der kommer også kontakt derfra med, på den anden side af. Jeg skal bruge dækning, jeg trækker de sårede mand i sikkerhed. Ja, kom så. Godt. Vi skal bruge en medic her. Godt. Lidt længere. Der. Jeg har medical.
We need to move back to the assembly area because we have more cover there.
Ja. Kom så, ryk med op! Ind mod BSO! Og jeg ser det!
Han ned!
Rykker de helt ud langs højre?
Ja!
Okay, modtaget!
Jeg trækker lidt tilbage.
Skal vi trække lidt tilbage? Der er en, der rykker op langs højre! Ude ved marken af! 15 meter bag ham, der er skudt!
As of now, we are totally surrounded by Russian soldiers, so we just need to stay put and try and fight them off.
Ja, jeg kan godt se det, Ja. Det er tæt på det der! Ned igen!
til at sætte rundt som en skjolde. Still the market! Ja.
Jeg har også en, der løber dernede.
Jeg fik en der!
The majority of the Russian soldiers are killed by now, but we need to search the area for any remaining soldiers to be hiding in the bushes.
Jamen, så lad os slå igen. Ud på en række. Ud på række. Ja, de ligger der. Det er snekammer. En, der løber! Ja, han trækker sig bagud. De har russiske styrker der. De er ikke døde, dem der. Ja, jeg fik en der.
There's still one fighter left until we have wiped out the whole Russian squad.
Modtaget. Jeg ser ham. Ja, han ligger sig ned. Nej. Han løber.
So that was it. He ran away. I was actually a bit triggered about that because I had hoped to get the last guy, but unfortunately I didn't hit him. But yeah, that was the attack of the Russians hitting our assembly area. For the next mission, we need to hit their assembly area. So look forward to the next video for the next week. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also comment if you have any questions or just want to tell me what you liked or didn't like about the video. I like to get your critique as well. Not only that, if you want to see more of these types of videos, not only stay tuned for the rest of the series here, but also go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see all the other content that I do post on the channel. So that was actually about it. Or of course also check out my Instagram account, Fernhill_Airsoft. If you want to see cool pictures from time to time when I do have the time to post on there. That was about it, I guess. Hope you liked the video, and see you guys.